You here for a different reason than I'm here. I messed up. I had the PS2. I deleted it. I erased it. It needed to be updated. All my saved data is gone. I had a lot of games. Not a lot, but you know, more than 0. More than you. Yeah, how about anywho, we gonna need 3 things. Emulator, BIOS, games. 3 steps, that's it. I want my stuff back. So let's just, we gonna do it like we don't know nothing. We gonna be like, I need a PS2 emulator. What come up first? This one. Click it. You got nightly and we got stable. I don't know the difference. I don't know the difference. We're gonna do nightly. Why? Because that's the one I'm clicking. I got this. What do you want, kids? Go to your room. That's where I told you to be. You come back out here, I'm gonna pop you. You too. Go with your sister. Chump. What am I doing? Boom. Right there. All right. So, did we extract this? We might have to extract this, right? Let's extract this. We're gonna extract this. We're just gonna put it right here. Wait, is it already installed? Okay, so is this it? Windows is trying to protect you. Don't do this to yourself. I'm gonna do it anyway. Boom. Yep, that was it. All right. So, boom. Get that. You do that, and you got this. Let's talk about it. This is your PS2. Oh yeah, we need BIOS. Awkward. So, in your documents, in your folder, you see the BIOS? Right there, the BIOS. You see the BIOS? We need BIOS. Now in this documents, PS2 folder, PCSX2, X2, 2X, 2XTS. We got the dango, we got that BIOS, man. So now we're gonna go back here. Boom. We're gonna refresh. Boom, there it is. And then you need to pick this one. I need to pick this one. I don't know which one you need to pick. Next, we need games, bro. I said it was 3 steps. We need games to be able to game with the BIOS for the emulator, for the game, for the BIOS. Make a games folder, but make that folder inside the PS2 folder. We'll make a games folder in here. I thought it was already one. I guess not. Boom, good to go. All right, so now we got a games folder. So now we're gonna add a folder on here, right? This add button, click that, boom. The folder we're gonna add is documents, PS2, games, boom. And now whenever you put more games in there, you feel me? It's gonna give you more games. Scanning something. Not reading it, not gonna lie to you. Let's just press yes, next. Let's talk about it. Now here, you wanna add your controller. Do you wanna play mouse and key? I don't got nothing to prove. I hate mouse and keyboard. That's the point. Okay, you gotta wait. You didn't need to do nothing until she went in there. Back in your room now. So boom, we gonna map out, automatically map out that X input. All right, that's gonna connect to your controller. Don't matter what kind of controller you got. I don't really know that. The one I got, Xbox, you feel me? Good to go. Microsoft Xbox, good to go. Gonna change this view to something way better, cause bro. Now we need cover art, right? Not even gonna open up the game, bro. We need cover art. Let me. Okay, I'm an idiot. It's right here where it says cover downloader. Right here, because we need covers and we need a downloader for the covers. So obviously, if I would read anything, I would have saw that. 3D covers. This is what we want. We want this 3D cover. What's his name? This was fire. This is fire. Cover downloader. Bam. And then we're gonna put in that link that we got, right? And then we're gonna just start. Boom. And then, like, you know, you have more, it'll want more. But it's gonna give you that cover art. It's gonna give you that cover art. Good to go. How's there an update when I literally just installed this? How does that make sense? Okay, boom. Game works. Controller. Up, down. All right, now we need to set up the goddamn look of this thing. So we gonna switch this all the way up. Borderless full screen. Good to go. Auto. Widescreen 16:9. Widescreen 16:9. You need that. I don't honestly know what most of this stuff do. Most of y'all don't either, so don't come at me for not knowing what the heck. Yeah, but you're supposed to do the research. I ain't gotta do nothing. I think I changed this too. I think I changed this like Vulkan or something like that. Or we gonna change that to my graphics card 3060. I gotta upgrade eventually. Let's talk about it. Now, the trick with this, if you want to stream it, if you want to record it, if you want to whatever it, if I go over here, right, you see my mouse, if I click the game, boom, you can't see nothing. I don't honestly know how to fix that. You tell me, all right? You smarter than me. You tell me, all right? But if I click outside of it, now you see it. You want to share it in like Discord, whatever else, click outside the game, boom, pop right up. I don't know what that's about. Help me. I was playing Need for Speed, Most Wanted, lost everything. I'm hoping I could. Could you hear any of that? Probably couldn't hear any of that, huh? I got my audio separated, so I gotta select like my game or whatever every trip. Sucks. Now you can hear it. Right here. Yeah. I told you, bro. You know? You smart. Then, so, we just, all you need, internet, emulator. What else? BIOS. find your games. Good to go. I gave you everything I could. You shouldn't still be here because that's it as far as I know. Install it though. I will say, and if you didn't get to this part, that's on you. It ain't got nothing to do with me. Install it where you want it. So you ain't got to worry about moving nothing. On your SSD drive, on your whatever drive, this is a horrible time to say this. I don't care. I ain't making a perfect video. I'm making a video. I'm in the middle of washing right now, watching kids. I still need to eat. I ain't eat no breakfast. I'm hungry. I appreciate y'all though. We do what we can do when we can do it. It's all about just doing it. It ain't got to be. Just do it. That's the message. Just do it. Is that somebody else's slogan? Do we know? Can we take that? No, just don't take it. Just leave it where it is. Heard you. I'm not taking that. I only said it. I should go now.